Looking around your room and thinking, this place could use a little upgrade? Well, here are 15 of the coolest gadgets that can give your room that much needed upgrade. Hey guys, welcome to another video on the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon that pops up to turn on post notifications so you get notified when a new video drops. With that said, let's get into the video. Number 15. Aquarius Water Lamp. Surprisingly, this cool gadget has absolutely nothing to do with horoscopes. Aquarius is a fountain lamp that controls water, creating some of the most visually impossible yet pleasing shapes and styles. Anyone looking at this fountain work will immediately become enchanted watching the stream of water bend, change color, freeze in place, go up, down, and split into different streams. It also has special display effects like volcanic lighting and northern lights, just to add to its already magnificent setup. Thanks to its slim profile and sleek design, this gadget will fit into whatever your interior decor already looks like, so you don't have to switch anything up to get this water lamp to fit into your space. Definitely a nice gadget to keep you distracted and add a touch of beautiful accent lighting to your room. If you thought this was awesome, make sure you watch the video to the end to find out the one device that can make your phone levitate while charging. Number 14. The Invisible Wireless Charger. This gadget takes wireless charging to the next level by turning your regular furniture like desk and countertops into wireless charging platforms. It can simply be attached under the surface of your tables, desks, and almost any furniture, while your phone goes on top and gets charged. This gadget has the capability of charging your device from up to 40 millimeters away. This means that even the thickest furniture can get converted into a fast, wireless charging station without having to fiddle with any wiring or electrical components. Number 13. Natede. Did you know that you are more exposed to air pollution inside your home than outdoors? With the amount of time we spend indoors, especially those of us that now have to work from home, we spend a lot of time exposed to toxins and pollutants like smoke, paint, plastic, cleaning supplies, and some other regular household items. However, you also cannot halt your day-to-day activities, like cooking and cleaning, just because you are trying to reduce your exposure to air pollutants. This is why you need Natede. Natede is a device by Vitasi that helps to monitor indoor air quality and remove air pollution. While there are a lot of purifiers in the market, this one packs some of the latest tech you can find in a sleek design. The device takes advantage of the power of plants to eliminate these toxic pollutants. So there is no artificial fragrance adding to whatever pollutant is already in the home. It also works with a photocatalytic filter to kill viruses, bacteria, and odors. Number 12. Digital Canvas. There is always that sensational excitement that comes with buying a new frame to add to your interior. However, within weeks of purchase, this excitement drops by a huge percentage. And once weeks turn into months, you almost forget that you even have something on the wall. But what if you could renew the excitement of a new frame with new things to display whenever you want, without having to go out to buy another? This is where Netgear's Smart Digital Canvas comes in. This canvas connects to your smartphone and allows you to change what the frame displays for any mood you are in. And if you happen to be a photographer or photography enthusiast, this is a sweet way to showcase your works. When someone comes into your room, you can entertain them with a changing frame of your favorite shots. Number 11. The Tabletop Fireplace. It is common knowledge that apart from keeping you warm in the winter, a fireplace also adds a premium touch to the interior of your house. It is also common knowledge that not everyone can own a real fireplace. Having a fireplace requires a large space within your home, and even when you have that space, getting the fireplace could come at a hefty price. With that said, we have the perfect solution. This portable fireplace is designed to settle on any stable surface. It offers the effect of a wood-burning fire, but without the dangerous smoke, smells, or sparks. The device runs on recycled liquid ethanol fuel that gives off only water and carbon dioxide. With this, you have a portable fireplace that you can easily move to different parts of your home. Number 10. The Moonlight. A lamp is pretty much a necessity for any room, but what is the fun in getting a regular lamp when you can have a light source that is designed to look like the moon? With this levitating bulb in your room, every night will feel like sleeping under a moon. The Moonlight is designed based on NASA satellite images to create a replica that is as real as possible down to the textures. It also comes with a remote control that lets you change the color of the light from white to warm white, and also adjusts its brightness. So whether you need a night light or a reading light, this lamp has got you covered. Number 9. LifeSmart Geometry Intelligent Panel Light. We've talked about a few lights already, but we just couldn't leave out this one. The lights come in different tiles and blocks that you can style to your taste whenever you feel like creating certain light effects. It comes with a mobile app with various functions like voice control, automatic on and off, and dimmable functions. It is also designed with sensors that perform functions like reacting to music or lighting up when your door is opened. With over 16 million colors to choose from, your only problem with this light will be to select what color you like best. Number 8. Mill Clock in 14 Nixie Tube Clock. If you are thinking of adding a little bit of a vintage vibe with modern technology to your room, then we highly suggest getting this clock. This clock comes with built-in alarm settings and GPS features that detect the exact time in your location and sets itself accordingly. You can also adjust the brightness of the backlight and select from 99 available colors to suit your room's aesthetic, and if you prefer a clean and minimal look, you have the option to turn this backlight off completely. Number 7. The Cactus Diffuser. Fragrance diffusers come in various shapes and sizes, and the round-around Cactus Diffuser is one that really gets it right in terms of design. With this, you are not only getting a gadget that helps you relieve stress and soothe your senses, but also an aesthetically pleasing gadget that will fit into your interior decor. If you are a fan of the green movement, you should definitely consider adding this to your room. Number 6. The USB Charging Station. You will find very few things more frustrating than trying to organize cords and chargers. People who have multiple devices with different charges can attest to this fact. With a charging station, that frustration will be a thing of the past. A charging station is a device that allows you to change all of your devices at once. Some charging stations are capable of taking up to 8 devices at a time. So if you usually have people over but not enough outlets for them to juice up their devices, this is a safe and neat way to have yours and their devices quickly charged without issues. Number 5. PICO. Do you want to be able to keep your plants green and fresh all year round without having to worry too much about it? Get a PICO for your room. This device sustains plants with its telescopic LED grow lights and self-watering system. If you are traveling for a short time, you can either take this palm-sized garden with you or leave it at home, knowing that it will get everything necessary for growth. Number 4. Ember Smart Mug. There are people who cannot have an ideal morning without a cup of hot brewed coffee, and sometimes you want to brood over your coffee and sip it as you go on with your morning routine. But then, in a regular mug, your coffee will certainly drop to an unsatisfying temperature. With the Ember Smart Mug, you can keep the temperature of your coffee right where you want it to be. It is designed with an accompanying mobile app that allows you to select and control the temperature of your beverage in real time. Number 3. Magnetic Cable Clips. The difference between a good-looking room and a bad-looking room can sometimes be something as small as cable management. However, we know that managing cables is not very easy. To make it a little easier, you definitely need to get magnetic cable clips. Apart from offering cable management, these clips ensure that your cords remain where you left them for when you need them again. You don't need to worry about the size of your cables because these clips are designed with an adapter so they work with any cable of any size. Number 2. An adjustable workstation. A desk is one of the most important parts of the room. For those that work in front of a computer for long hours, there are times you want to be able to stand and continue your work. Now, there are already standing desks that let you do this, but those are way too expensive. If you don't have the budget for that, you can easily get the same use with an adjustable workstation. These are wide enough to carry your monitors, laptops, and all of your work accessories comfortably, and allow you to raise it by pulling a lever, so you can stand while working at your desk. Before we look at the number 1 pick for today, for more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get notified when we upload a new video. Number 1. The Levitating Charger. We talked about a wireless charger earlier in the video, but this one deserves special attention because it charges your phone wirelessly and looks cool while doing it. The device allows your phone to float and rotate while it is charging wirelessly. This is so cool that one would think it is sorcery. It's not though. The device only makes use of a special ultra-slim case and a magnet to create the levitation effect. And as a topping, the device stops charging once the phone is full, but your phone can stay floating till you come and pick it up. Which of these will you be getting for your room? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching. See you next time.